Jose, how's it going? My name is Lucas Tembreros, and on this video, I'm gonna show you what you can do to your website in order to rank top one in Google. As you already know, nowadays it's super important to have a strong online presence for every business, and that's why here I'm gonna tell you about content, backlinks, and citations, which are the three main things that Google takes in consideration to rank a website at the top. I'm gonna start with content, which is, as you can probably imagine, everything that is on your website. All the text, all the pictures, and also how the pictures are saved as. For that, Google likes to see at least 1500 words of keyword-rich content and also a very good amount of pictures. Keyword-rich means that throughout that content, you put a lot of keywords, which are basically the terms that people are looking up online when they need your service. So for example, if we go to Google and we write bail bond San Jose, this would be a keyword, okay? And then if we check, for example, the first couple results, Aladdin bail bonds in San Jose and Bad Boys bail bonds in San Jose, we go to the websites, and as you can see, they have some text, some pictures, and these guys too, some content, here, some pictures, but they don't really have much. That's why it would be really easy for you by implementing a good 1500 words at least of good content and some pictures. You'll be beating them in that aspect in no time. These guys are just at the top because of their backlink profile. What is a backlink? A backlink is when another website mentions your website with a clickable link, that when somebody clicks in it, it takes you back over here to your website. To check backlinks, we use a tool called Ahrefs that gives us analytics from Google. And when I put your website here, I can see that you have 5 backlinks right now. And you're ranking for 14 keywords that are giving you about 22 people every single month on traffic through your website. If we go to Aladdin bail bonds, for example, and we put them in Ahrefs, we can see that these guys have 44 backlinks, and then they're ranking for 31 keywords, which is bringing them about 263 people every single month. And the Bad Boys bail bonds, they have 105 backlinks, ranking for 36 keywords, and have around 205 of organic traffic. How come these guys with more backlinks and ranking for more keywords are in the second position? Because not all backlinks are created equal. Backlinks from websites that are very important and popular and also very relevant within your business are way more important in the eyes of Google, that these guys are mentioning you and vouching for you. And that's what is giving you the authority and the power to rank high. So you always want to go after those kind of backlinks, okay? Last thing I want to tell you about is the citations. As you probably notice, when you look for a business on Google, a lot of times you see a little map with some businesses listed next to or under it. So this is called the Google Map Pack, and the way you get at the very top is with citations, which is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. So directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Yelp are some examples, but you have thousands of them. And all you need to do is have more citations than your competition. The rule of thumb for me on this aspect is always make at least 100 to 150 more citations than the top 3 guys, just because the people that is at the top is very on top of it because they know how important this is, and they're building new citations every day. So you always want to make a gap big enough for them to make it really hard for them to catch you. So that's why always like 100 and 150 more than them is a good gap. And that said, let's make a little recap. You want some keyword-rich content on your website with some pictures, then build a strong and healthy backlink profile by going after those big important websites in order for Google to give you authority and power. And then you want to build a lot of citations to beat these guys for at least 100. That said, I hope you like the video and find it interesting and valuable. Please, if you have any questions on anything, contact me with no problem. I leave you all my information on the email. And yeah, thank you for watching. I would really appreciate it if you don't mind to give me a little review and tell me what you think on this video, since I do these things for free, and that really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching again, and have a good day.